Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm going to conquer the Diptych again because I did one yesterday and I wasn't happy with it. So today I have, this is a Paynes Gray base. It's Paynes Gray mixed with phthalo blue and some silver. All mixed. Very thin because the silver weighs it down, so I had to kind of go extra thin. And I have Arteza Gold, Arteza Pearl Sapphire Blue, gorgeous color, nice and thin. And I have Neon Pink, a little bit thicker than those. And I have some white. That is also, this would be the consistency I would use for my base layers, because I'm going to blow the white over what I pour down the colors. So this is super thin. It just goes right back in. Hopefully you can see that. It goes right back in to the paint in the cup. Just flows right off the stick. Super thin. I will do a video on how I mix my base layers. I had a couple of people comment about that. So I will do that. So what I'm going to do today, these are 11 by 14 inch Arteza canvas. I'm going to put the gold down first, then the blue, the sapphire, neon, probably a little bit more gold, and then I'm going to blow it over with the white. I might add a bit more of this. We'll see. Okay, let's get started. So these are mixed same as yesterday in yesterday's video. Let's see, I'll try and put a link up there. Does that work? I don't know. Ignore me. To that video that shows it right in the beginning. I show you how to mix just 1 cup of paint, but it's 1 part paint, 1 part owatrol, Floetrol, and then water to thin, depending on your technique. It's the same mix that I've been using, is 1 and 1. And then I add water to change the consistency depending on what technique I'm pouring. If it's a ring pour, I'm hardly adding any water, nice and thick, all that. Dutch pour, thin. Don't need a fancy blow dryer or high powered, whatever. You just need to get your consistency thin enough. And yes, that's that. Anyway, let's get started before this sets. So fingers crossed that this works out today. Now you can see how thin. Oh, it's just, I will probably have to paint over these edges. Which I probably should have done beforehand. But, you know, this mom is not organized, so we're getting better. I'm just gonna drip some here. Connect those. Okay, so let's do this. Enough talking. Okay. You just hold your, just wait. That blue's just gonna kind of get lost in there, so hold on, let's sort this out. I don't want too much white in this because I'm going to be blowing. Let's go a bit more gold and then we'll put our blue down. Now I think the reason that I messed up the Diptych, that's what it's called, yesterday, I had the 2 canvases just like this, and I start my pours over here. And then I feel like by the time I get over here, there's less paint color. So I'm gonna try and balance these out. That's just a theory of mine. So let's see if I can sort this out. Maybe I should just start over here then, but then it's kind of awkward, but let's just do it. that makes sense to anybody, I don't know. See, okay. I kind of want a lot of this neon in here because I only have, you know, I have the blue background and then blue in there and gold, some white. So I kind of want the paint to pop. So that's what we're going for. Okay. So I'm going to do one more kind of thin, ziggy-zaggy. I'll make sure I get enough paint over there. Okay, they look pretty even. I'm happy with that, so I'm going to get rid of these. And this white is nice and thin, so I'm just going to drizzle some. I have my blow dryer down by my feet ready. And let's get rid of this stick because those are always annoying. So I'm loving this blue background with the silver in it. Now you have to be careful with that. You have to probably add a lot of extra water or some extra water, or do your background and then kind of be quick, because the silver, you know, the metallics would like sink. But it gives us really cool effects. So anyway, enough talking. Let's do this. That looks so cool as it is. I should just... I'm just kind of thinking here. I'm just going to do one blow without all that white and just see how it looks. And then if I don't like it, then I'll bring it together somehow and then use the blow dryer. Don't mind my crazy hair. Okay. All right, I'm gonna stick with my original plan, my Dutch pour. But that's great. We'll just... That might look, see, I'm torn now, but I'm just going to stick with my plan and we'll try that out maybe next. Stick with the plan, stick with the plan. Okay, let's just do that. And then I'm going to do, add this to this cup. Now, I'm getting a base color. I did one of these last night and it's so beautiful and it's drying so nicely. But you'll probably see that one before this one, so I won't talk much about it. Okay, so we're gonna do that. And now I'm gonna get my blow dryer. Hair dryer, blow dryer. I'm just gonna call it Phil because it's Phil Smith. And we're not even gonna bother with air bubbles. There's not that many in there. Okay, so first I'm going to blow over. And again, if you hear the blow dryer get louder, that's me just pressing the boost to help the paint. This is on low heat, the first setting. Okay. Oh, I must have dipped. Now we're going to go blow the white over. Okay, now I'm going to pop some bubbles. And I'm not going for cells, just popping. Okay, I'm not going to go at it too much with the torch because I don't want the paints to interact too much, like rising and sinking until I'm like satisfied with the blowout. So I want it to do all that playful stuff after. That makes sense? That's cool. Okay, I'm gonna blow out, fingers crossed, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Like the video, share if you can, pin me on Pinterest, all that good stuff, guys. And I will subscribe if you haven't and hit the bell for notifications. I will talk to you in a bit. Bye.